drop it, it'll be soft there. Lastly, requested that we have Mac wraps again. So let's go. The wraps, the burger sauce, the lettuce, the mince, the cheese, and oh, please tell me we have some onions. The onion. Oh, my wife wants, well, I want them too, but she's asked. Let's get a couple of chopping boards. Hop out of my way, Susan. I've got some tissues for my waist. One of them's a bit soft. Alright, the onion. The onion. Ew! What's next? Well, let's grate the cheese and then I can put that away so it doesn't get all ruined. We have zigretto. The dog loves cheese, so she's hanging around. She thinks she's getting cheese. Do you think you're getting cheese? You just need enough for the 2 Mick wraps. Pretty sure I can use the word Mick. Oh, you fuckers. Cheese. Onion. Beautiful. Getting really crazy, man. No. Let's do this. I'm going to lose my shit in a minute. Two wraps. I'm not using the top one because if you actually feel it, you can feel that the top one's a little bit harder than the ones underneath. Not quite half the mince because I don't think she's... Normally it's a bit easier to spread than that. As you can see, this is working much better now. I'm not trying to use a stupid fork. Maybe I should have used a spoon. Oh, that's looking good now. Looking good, looking good. Right, to shoot. Let's get this pan going. You can see I put a bit of oil in the pan. Let's get this fucker on. Okay. Let's cook that, man. Let's cook that shit. We'll make another one here. Put these wraps in the freezer because generally what happens is you use two wraps out of 8 and then throw the rest within. Why can't they just make one with 2 wraps in it? For $1 or $2 or something, you know? You have to make one hard. Oh, that's a lot of length on this one. It's annoying. I should have done that the first time I made without the fork. I was just trying to be like, you know, it's not like my hands are dirty or anything. What I'll do later is I'll pause the video. I'll cut the video. When I cut it, I'll make out I was washing my hands and that's why I turned it off. No. I'll actually wash the video now. Just to cut in that meat. Make sure I don't cross-contaminate any of the food that I've got to put back in the fridge. Right, let's have a look. One thing I hate is how they pump the meat up with water. It sort of really ruins your food because now the pan's full of water. It's like, come on guys. You all know you do it, so just stop doing it so our meat's decent. Wankers. Oh, just the next one, a bit of I think we're almost ready to drain. I'm going to drain some of the water out of that first rack. So have a quick look, see how they burn. Starting to get a good colour on there. Just drain some of that water out, that liquid. Beautiful. I don't think Rachel likes hers too overcooked, so hers is nearly ready. I'll just give this lettuce a quick wash. Not that it needs it. It's been inside the heart of the lettuce. As you can see, I'll go through the paper towels. I think they're far more hygienic than any cloths. So, well, you know what I haven't done? Cutting the gherkins up. You can almost just use the water, the gherkin water, and just paste it on. The Macca's ones are so much stronger than these ones. That's why these ones are pretty good. You just throw them on and you can eat them. You don't have to throw them out. Right, let's flip this mate. A little bit overcooked maybe. Hey man, that take pretty good. So a couple of gherkins. You don't need ginger. Put me a little bit over zealous on that one, so we're going to put the cheese on first. Cheese goes on. To get that mounting. The onion. Touch more cheese maybe. Gherkin. Nice bit of gherkin. That's enough gherkin. And we'll go some lettuce on top. Right. Just do another gherkin for me. Hey, you can't eat that. What are you eating? Get out! Out! I'm eating gherkin, mate. I don't know, for a two, but here we go. Let's get that going there. This in line. She knows up on it again. So she needs sauce. Might be a bit on the large side.